Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Smart Formula Pro by LivingEZ. Cool, so it kind of looks like a coffee machine for babies. Make a bottle in seconds. I can connect it with my phone. I didn't know you could like change temperatures and get it so instantly with just an app. All right, let's get this open. Okay, we got the instructions. Download the app and connect it to Wi-Fi. Formula setting, make the formula bottle, and then clean and care. Okay, seems easy enough. It's not too heavy. Yeah, this really does look like my coffee machine. So we're gonna fill this up with distilled water and we're gonna put baby formula in here. So I just downloaded the LivingEZ app from the App Store and it's also on the Google Play Store. And then I signed up and it's that easy. But it also mentions that if you don't have a phone, you can still use the device. Using the smartphone, you have all of the control right at your fingertips. So I just put in the water in the baby formula, and now just by scanning the barcode with the app, it measures it all for me. Everything's taken care of. And now I'm gonna hit start on here, or I can hit start on my phone. So using the phone or your machine, you can change both the volume and the temperature of the milk. Having a baby can be super hectic. They take up all your time. You don't even get to focus on yourself. But with the Smart Formula Pro, I feel like I save so much time. With a tap of a button, I get the perfect formula for my baby. It makes my life super easy.